Today I'm going to show you how to get seeds from a milkweed plant. This works for almost every type of milkweed. Milkweed is so important because it is the only food of the monarch caterpillar. Now here at Mullica Hill, New Jersey, we're Zone 7, and around August, the flowers will stop blooming, die off, and you'll be left with these pods. The pods are where the seeds are for the milkweed, and I'm going to show you how to take them off. So now we're looking at the pods. I'm just going to go in and just going to kind of rake off that pod. As you can see, they're right there. Now, you have this pod with the fluff. So, this gets very wispy. So, if you want to just pull this apart, get all the fluff out of there, and then just try to grab some of the big parts of the pod. You'll see that this is kind of wet right now, which makes it a lot easier, but I put 2 pennies in the bottom, so we're gonna do this, and those pennies are going to make it actually really easy to pull the fluff away. The fluff will gather and you'll be left with all these seeds. So we'll just pull this aside, and there you go. All your seeds are there. I have found that planting in the fall works best for me. The fluff of the pod is what naturally lets it blow around and self-seed. So when you plant in the fall, you don't have to go through cold stratification of any kind. It can just come out of dormancy in the spring and start growing. I hope this was helpful in some way, and I hope everyone plants seeds. Butterflies are pretty important to the health and well-being of the world. So you can give me a like or subscribe. I'm going to post more videos on how I do my gardens to promote butterflies, bees, and even hummingbirds, which is a lot of fun. Gardening can be very self-rewarding, and all of my pictures and videos are done in my own gardens in Mullica Hill.